Welcome to another series of Ordinary Levels Paper 2 2020. In today's video, we are going to be answering question 2. Question 2 says that given that the set A is equal to x greater than or equal to 0, less than 4, x belonging to integer, and B equal to x greater than or equal to minus 1, less than 2, x belonging to integers. List A, the elements of the set A, B, the elements of the set B, and finally draw a Venn diagram to represent the set. So first of all, before we start, I would like to mention that the set of integers means x belongs to the set of integers. Usually it is represented as z. It's represented as z. So these are set of integers, and the set of integers are simply positive whole and negative whole numbers. So the range is like from minus infinity to plus infinity. So we have numbers like 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, and so on. So you have to have that in mind before you continue. And now I would like to mention again on the point on the inequalities. Now there are actually 4 basic types of inequalities. We have less than, we have less than or equal to, we have greater than, we have greater than or equal to. We have just one equality. And if we take for an example, let's say x equal to 2, x less than 2 excuse x greater than or equal to 2, and x less than or equal to 2, and finally x greater than 2. So these are 5 cases. We have included the equality. In the first case, this case, let's assume this to be the first case, there are infinitely many solutions starting from 3 going to 4 right up to plus infinity under the set of integers. Now for this other case, there is just one solution, which is 2 for equal to. Now for this other inequality, there are infinitely many solutions under the set of integers, and the solution starts from 1, 0, minus 1 up to minus infinity. And in the third case, there are infinitely many solutions, but they are starting from 2, 3, 4 right up to positive infinity. So the same thing will apply for the last case. It starts from 2 minus, it starts from 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 1 up to minus infinity. So you have to have that in mind, so that whenever you are given a set with inequality, you know which element is included and which is not included. So now if we apply that to our set, we are going to get, so for set A, let's list the elements of set A. So we know that for set A said x greater than or equal to 0, less than 4, x belonging to integers. Now x greater than or equal to, so we are going to read it like x greater than or equal to 0. It means that we're starting from 0, we go to greater than a number that is greater than 0. We have 1, we have 2 is greater than 0, we have 3, and we have 4. But now we have been guided that x should be less than, so in this case it is strict inequality. So it is less than. So in this case 4 is not included in our set A. So we are going to end it. Now for our set B, it is said x greater than negative 1, So we have -1, so we have 0. We know that 0 is greater than -1. We have 1, but we have been guided by saying that x is strictly less than 2. So 2 is not included in our set here. So those are the elements of the set A and B. So we have already answered question A and B. Now the final question says that draw a Venn diagram to represent the set. Now to draw a Venn diagram, you need to know the relationship between your set A and B. In this case, where we said A and B, what is the relationship between set A and B? When we talk of relationship here, you can be looking for things like the union, the intersection, the complement, the subset, and all that. You need to take a critical look at the two sets. Are all the elements in A found in B? In that case, A will be a subset of B. So you have to look, are there some elements found in A and B that will be the intersection and all that. That is what I need to look for. After looking for that, you know how to represent it, because looking at the relationship between A and B will guide you on how you are going to draw your Venn diagram. So let's take a look at some of them. We'll start with the most common, which is intersection. A intersection B. It means the elements that are found in A that are also found in B. We have 0. 0 is found in A, but it's not okay. 0 is found in A and B, so we have 0. We have 0. 0 is found in A and B. Now -1 is found in B but not found in A, so that one is discarded. Now 1 is found in A and B, so we have 1, and the 2 is found in A but not in B. 3 is found in A and not in B, so end there. So the A intersection B will simply be 0, 1. Now if we take a union, it will not really help us here, but let's just do that. So A union B will simply be A union B will simply be -1, 0, yes, 1, 2, 3. So 3. So obviously the universal set is usually given, but in this case we are going to say our universal set are the elements from let's say from -1 to 4. Yeah, from -1 to 4, because these numbers have been mentioned. So we can say our universal set is from -1 to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that's our universal set. Are all the elements in A found in B? Let's check. No, it does not. It's not true. Are all the elements in B found in A? No. -1 is in B, not in A. So A is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of A. So now going down to draw our Venn diagram, we are going to have something like this. We are going to have let me use this color to draw. Now since we have seen that there is an intersection between A and B, you guide us now to draw first of all two circles that are intersecting. Here is set A and here is set B, and now this is our universal set. This is our universal set. In this case, what were the intersection? A intersection B was what was our A intersection B? Our A intersection B was 0, 1, so we're simply going to put them here, 0, 1. So I would like to guide you guys on this. Whenever you are representing your Venn diagram, always make sure you first of all fill the intersections before filling the entire set, because it is going to guide you not to make a mistake. In this case, we have A, we have B. Now to fill the elements of set A, we are going to have A, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? But we see that looking at the 0 and 1 are already there, so we just need to fill 2 and 3 out of the intersection box. Now we go to B. B, where we need to fill -1, 0, 1. but 0, 0 and 1 are already there, so we just filled our -1. And since our universal set was from -1 to 4, and all of those numbers have been used in the set A and B, so we are going to have 4 outside. So that will be the representation. But in this question, clearly our universal set was not given to us, but you can use your own initiative to bring out the universal set, since the element 4 was mentioned, even though it was not found in A and B. But in most cases, they will tell you that the elements A and B are in the universal set from, let's say, x greater than or equal to 0, less than 10. So in that case, it's very clear. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video till the end. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to make videos based on your worries.